Here I've got HUAWEI Honor 20 and let me show you how to set up alarm on the following device. So at first you have to find and select the clock. Now once you are in the app, tap on plus to add the alarm, and it's time to select the hour on which it should ring. Let me pick, for example, 7:30, and then you can select a repeat option, so it can ring just one time or it can be some rules. So let me pick Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday. So on these 4 days it will ring at 7:30. Then let's select the sound, and as you can see, you've got plenty possibilities here, and I will select timer beep. Let's go back, and now let's create the label. So wake up, click on OK to save it, and now it's time to select the duration of the ring, and it can be 10 minutes. And finally, if you'd like to have the snooze duration, obviously you can pick none, but I will want to have it like 5 times for 15 minutes. Click on OK, and then just click on the confirmation mark to save it. And as you can see, here is our new alarm. So wake up, 7:30, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday. If you would like to switch it off for some time, for example while you're on holidays, simply tap on the switcher, and if you would like to erase it permanently, just keep tapping on it and then delete the alarm by tapping on the cross icon, and confirm by clicking on the confirmation mark. So that would be all. This is how you can set up the alarm on your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.